Apply data validation to restrict the type of data or values that others can enter in a cell, such as business hours. Select the cells you want to limit. Select Data, Data Validation. In the Allow drop-down, select one of the options, such as time. Set the limits, like start and end times. Select Input Message and customize the message users will see when entering data. Select Error Alert to customize the error message and message style if data is added incorrectly. Select OK. Select the cell to see the input message, and now enter data. If data is outside the parameters, the error alert will appear.